Hi, this is the team from Easel, and today we're going to be talking about how to jog your machine in Easel and what that looks like. So to start, we can see that my machine is connected because the carve button is green and not blue. To the right of the carve button is another green button with 4 arrows on it. If I click on that, I'm given access to the jog menu. If I have homing enabled, I'll need to either unlock my machine or home it before I can gain access to this menu. Once I have access to the menu, I can jog my machine with the controls at the top of the screen. I've got my y-axis, my x-axis, and my z-axis. I can change the interval or how far the machine jogs here in the interval section. And the X and Y jog distance is locked together and the Z axis jog distance is set on its own. So if I change the XY axis to an inch, it will jog much further. Similarly, the Y axis will jog much further. I can do the same thing with the Z axis. And that, again, is just how you manipulate how far it jogs. I can also input a custom distance for the X and Y. So I can, instead of 1, I can put, say, 2 inches. And then if I jog my machine to the right, it will now track 2 inches according to my custom XY. And these intervals are really useful for when you're setting your XY 0. You can get really minimal with it to help set that XY 0 as accurately as possible. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.